I'd like to now broaden my horizons and reach now interior India by being ultra desi also and cool at the same time. Because this is nice, it sounds great, but it sounds also a little niche. So it's nice to be cool, but I think, you make an effort to play whichever role you can.
I think you as an audience have to tell me what you think of the chemistry that we share. As far as the feedback that we normally get, I think people like our on-screen chemistry. But that's thanks to the characters and the kind of films that we do. I think in love stories, it's important that the chemistry works. And I think for films like Love Aajkal or in Cocktail, you need that chemistry. And I think we're just lucky that we've had it.
The role in itself, I mean, if there is anything to it, I'd give credit to my directors here. As far as my chemistry with Saif goes, I think the energy was so good on set, and if you see the two of us together, and I can vouch for the same thing that Saif would say, I think it was just awesome. I think we had a great time, such positive energy, and I think it'll finally show in the film when you see the film. The film will say it all.
But the only thing is, of course, Ranveer, which is played by Saif, and I play Robert DeCosta. Our characters are the same. We are the same characters, but the situations and the story is different.
टाइम लगा डेफिनेटली, प्लानिंग करने में काफ़ी टाइम लगा, बट आजकल एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है कि आज सब स्टार्स बहुत प्रोफेशनल हैं और सब लोग डेट्स बहुत क्लियर होते हैं. तो आई थिंक उसमें वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. एक बार प्लानिंग एक बार हो जाए तो फिर शूटिंग के वक्त प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, कभी पिक्चर बनाने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती.
आपने कुछ सुना था कभी 2 साल में कुछ कैट फाइट के बारे में? नहीं ना. तो फिर
It's very unfair that I think actresses get stereotyped as these
Ask them if
divas.
they had any fights.
Yeah, that's not fair. Why is it always the actresses, you know?
The secret is that actually they were fighting.
Yeah. Ask them.
They were competing with each other.
ऑल वेरी प्रोफेशनल. किसी ने टैंट्रम नहीं थ्रो किया.
एक्चुअली ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. हमारी फिल्म में जो नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर होता है वो बहुत लवेबल होता है, और ऐसे नहीं होता है कि भाई वो नेगेटिव है इसलिए वो पीपल स्टार्ट हेटिंग हिम. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. तो हमारी हर फिल्म में जो नेगेटिव किरदार होता है वो लोग लाइक करते हैं, और ये हमारा मानना है कि इस फिल्म में जॉन को भी लाइक करेंगे. नॉट ओनली जॉन, वैसे ग्रे शेड सभी है 6 के 6.
Race 2 starts almost the second race 1 ends. Almost the second it ends. You kind of drive out of one frame and almost drive into another frame. So it starts right there. But it's not important for you to have seen the first part to enjoy the second part. That's up to you. And one thing I'd like to say, if you say what's the difference between the two parts, Race 1 was quite a brave film. It was a new film, I thought, because it had some crazy plot points and twists and turns. But it was also a very adult film. A lot of sex, if I may say. It had a lot of like a husband and wife cheating on each other with the brother. So this is something that's very bold for like a Hindi movie, which was the backbone of the script of Race. The producers and the director took a decision that this time they want to make a more universal film. So we have got a UA certificate, mainly because while the film has, I think, better action and better photography and glamour with all these wonderful stars that you see. It is a film that you can watch with your mother, you can watch it with your children. There's nothing that will make you uncomfortable. It is an action thriller, but it's a universal action thriller.